Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over how to spot hammers. Yesterday we talked about how you can use shooting stars, what are shooting stars, and how you can trade off of them. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the other basic reversal candle, the hammer. So, that being said, guys, enjoy this video lesson presentation on how to spot hammers. So, in this video, like yesterday, we're going to cover what are hammer candles, why do they form, how can you read them, and how can you trade with them. Because at the end of the day, all of this information is really nice, but we all want to know how can we use this information to become more profitable and more successful traders. That being said, let's go on with this presentation. So, hammers, the expression of a bearish trend exhaustion or near bearish trend exhaustion through Japanese candlesticks. Basically, this means that in layman terms, that the stock's negative trend is probably coming to an end. As you guys can see here, as the stock was going down, a hammer formed and the stock continued to go up. Another hammer formed here, and these cause the stock to go up. We have one hammer and two hammers here, clearly showing you how the negative trends are starting to reverse. So the hammer forms when the sellers have their last push downwards, but since they don't have the strength, they can't close the candle at the lowest price. That forms that long tail that makes it look like a hammer. Think of the top of the candle, the open and close as the metal part that you use to hit, and the longer shadow as the handguard, I think it's called. It makes it look like a hammer, and you're hammering your way up, quote unquote. So as you guys can see, the open, the close, and this is the most extreme point and lowest point, and they couldn't reach higher. It closed at the highest, and they continue to go up. So as you guys can see, we had this downward trend followed by a hammer. The sellers took it down all the way down, but it soon went up. It opened and it closed at higher than the longer shadow, shooting upwards, taking us to a new positive trend. You could have theoretically bought this reversal, but I don't recommend counter trend trading. If I was in a short position, I saw this hammer, I would probably get out of the trade or at least move my stop up and take a partial. So, as I was talking about before, how can you trade a hammer? You would say I got into a short around here on this trend, and I got in for the breakout. I made all my profit here. I then saw this hammer. I would signify take a partial and move my stop down, so my stop would be into profit. And when the stock reversed, I would have made some profit on this trade. Same thing can go here. I could have shorted the stock here on this breakout and then get out at the hammer. I can also do reversals to the continuation of the trend. I could have bought this hammer above this hammer and go up for a reversal upwards. So I know there's an upward trend here. I see this hammer signifying the trend is going to continue, and I get in above the hammer into a trend continuation trade. There are several ways to trade off hammers, from bracket trading to breakouts to all kinds of stuff. These are just like a few couple examples on how to trade on hammers. So, if you have any questions, please contact us or visit us at thestockstradingroom.com. Comment, like, share, message us, tell your friends. If you want to see how we use hammers in everyday trading, feel more than free, and come join our trading room for your free trial. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Everyone have an awesome trading day, and see you tomorrow.